Hello everyone, welcome back. It's me Sonia from Inner Order and Joy, and here is my son Ram. So studies have shown that children who learn pre-K rhymes, songs can reap numerous language, learning, social and emotional benefits. And also it can ignite all the areas of child development and their skills. So here is the Days of the Week song, yes Ram?
Yes.
So here is the Days of the Week song which you can teach in two ways.
Yes.
The first one is by showing them the hand movements, and the second one is by showing them the flashcards, or you can write it on the board, or you can take a printout. Yeah. So that the children can see the name of the word and they can learn spellings. Here is how the song goes. There are Yeah, same like this. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yeah. Last you have to do like this. Saturday. Once again. Alright. It's Ram's turn now.
There are
7 days.
No.
Okay.
I'll sing the song. You do that.
Okay.
There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yay! Once again. We both. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yay! Alright Ram, do you want to show us how you write Sunday?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, let me bring the camera close to you so that our friends can see, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
D. A.
Why? Yay, Sunday. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope your kids will enjoy singing along with us. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Okay.
Always stay joyful and stay humble.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.